Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. It is Monday, June 26th. It is 11:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to go ahead and get started with break number 10. Thank you so much for joining me, and good luck. Baseball is the 12th, July 12th for Stadium Club. And certified is the 26th, I think. Alright, just as a reminder, these draft picks here, we only ship out rookies and hits. We do not ship out base cards. And any autos we get, if they don't currently play, then we'll random them off. Since they're not, we don't know everybody because they're rookies and may not have ever played. We'll research it. If we have to do a random, we'll do a separate video and post it probably in the morning, if not tonight. Probably in the morning though, if we have to. Base. Jeremy Hill, refractor. And when we do ship these out, we base it on the team they play for right now. Okay. Auto, Jack Conklin. Rookie cards, Paxton Lynch, Mackenzie Alexander, Von Bell, Derek Watt, and Malik Collins. Base. Refractor, Deshaun Jackson. Russell Wilson, insert. Rookie cards, Bryce Williams, Jake McGee, Jordan Howard, Jared Norris, and Scooby Bright. Base. Jack Allen, refractor. We do have a camo. Kevin Seymour, camo. 141 of 199. And rookie cards, DJ Foster, Kenyon Drake, Andrew Billings, Kentrell Brothers, and Will Redmond. Base. Refractor, Darian Thompson. And a really, really nice tie-dye here. Julio Jones. That's a really nice card. Number 3 of 25. 3 of 25, Julio Jones. Cool card. Kevin Taylor. Braxton Miller. Sua Cravens. Dominique Alexander. Antonio Morrison. Base. J.J. Watt, refractor. Keenan Allen, insert. Rookie cards, Trey Madden, Jeremy Wilson, Kenny Clark, Robert Nkendike, and Darian Thompson. Base. Refractor, Vernon Adams Jr. And we do have a nice autograph here. Nice autograph. For the Saints, Michael Thomas, tie-dye. Very nice. 19 of 49. Going to Gregory. 19 of 49, tie-dye, Michael Thomas. Awesome. Rookie cards, DeMarcus Robinson, Jordan Kanzeri, Jordan Payton, Vernon Adams Jr., Blake Martinez. Base. Eli Manning refractor. Do have insert here, Darian Thompson. $31 of 99. 31 of 99. Rookie cards, Laquan Treadwell, Trey Carson, Brian Marshall, Jack Allen, Cyrus Jones. Base. Blake Martinez, refractor. Rob Gronkowski, die cut. Rookie cards, Jaden Mickens, Emmanuel Ogbah, Rashard Higgins, Cardale Jones, and Jermaine Ifedi. Base. He was very popular in this box. We do have another auto. Darian Thompson. He had a couple cards. Refractor, Chris Johnson. We have Tony Romo, die cut. And rookie cards, Leonte Carew, Devontae Booker, Ashawn Robinson, DeForest Buckner, Tyler Higbee. Base, Cyrus Jones, refractor, and our next auto is Ashawn Robinson, auto. And Darian Thompson does play for the Giants. Shane, Giants. You have that card and that card. And refractor too, I think. Rookie cards are Hunter Henry, Brandon Allen, Jonathan Williams, William Jackson III, and Kieris Garrett. Last two. Base. Blake Bortles, refractor. And Clay Matthews, tie-dye. That is number 17 of 49. 17 of 49. Clay Matthews. There you go. Rookie cards, Connor Cook, Jason Spriggs, Kevin Hogan, Kyler Fackrell, and Terrence Smith. Base. Jermaine Afidi, refractor. And our last auto is Dan Battelle. There you go. Rookie cards, Jordan Jenkins, Austin Hooper, Carson Wentz, nice rookie card, Jeff Driscoll, and Chris Jones. That is all for the Prism draft picks. Let's do that. Red Zone, Devontae Freeman. And for the 49ers, Matt, do have a rookie ink blue, DeForest Buckner, for the 49ers. Me either. But we will, the Giants is the only one that I know for sure. But we take a look, we'll find out. Like I said, if they don't go to anybody, then I random off. But we do see, we send them to the team that they currently play for right now. So, base cards. Rookie roundup, Derrick Henry, And the retail blue, Jordan Reed. Base. Unsung Heroes, Delaney Walker. Base cards, lots and lots of base cards. Last pack. Extreme Team, Andrew Luck. And for the Seahawks, Alex Collins. That is patch, Alex Collins. Seahawks goes to Matt. There you go. That is the retail blue. And base cards. Alright, our hits in that. 49ers, auto, DeForest Buckner. And Seahawks, patch, Alex Collins. Congratulations. And playoff. Base. Carson Palmer. Playoff error. Boss Hogs, Garrett Blunt. And rookie card is Vernon Hargraves III. Base cards. Purple for the Packers. James Starks. That is 17 of 49. 17 of 49. James Starks. Class reunion. Matt Ryan. Jamal Charles. Julian Edelman. Stargazing. And rookie card is Hunter Henry. Base. Base cards. Class reunion. Aaron Rodgers. DeMarcus Ware. Lamar Miller. Boss Hawks. And rookie card is Devin Lucen. Base. Thunder. Von Miller. Stargazing, Jamal Charles. And rookie card is Kyler Fackrell. Joe Hayden. Oh, sorry. Base cards. Derek Carr. Playoff Thunder. Matt Forte, Boss Hogs. And rookie card is DeForest Buckner. Base. Nothing. Playoff Air, Jay Cutler. Odell Beckham Jr., Stargazing, and Ricardo Lewis rookie card. Base. Base, base, base. We do have a patch for the Patriots. GNB, Rob Gronkowski patch. 23 of 49. Rob Gronkowski, throwback. Congratulations. Playoff Air, Drew Brees. Boss Hogs, Le'Veon Bell. And rookie card is Cody Core. Base cards. And for the Vikings, Mackenzie Alexander, auto. Congratulations for the Vikings. Dallas, 22 of 199. There you go. Class reunion, Eli Manning, Big Ben, and Marcus Mariota, Stargazing. Rookie card is Kenyon Drake for the Dolphins. Base cards. Refractor, Blake Martinez for the Packers. 164, 199. Class reunion, AP, Darrelle Revis. Thomas Rawls, Boss Hogs, and rookie card is Laquan Treadwell, Vikings. Base, base, refractor, Jeremy Langford, 64 of 199. On to the Bears. Aaron Rodgers, Thunder. Russell Wilson, Stargazing. And Jonathan Williams, rookie card. Base. Kirk Cousins, Playoff Air. Todd Gurley, Boss Hogs. And rookie card is Sterling Shepard for the Giants. Last cut. Base cards. The Colts. Andrew Luck, refractor. Stargazing refractor. 64 of 199. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Shane. And Sammy Watkins. Stargazing. And our rookie card is Rico Gathers. Alright, that is all for playoff. Go ahead and random these. Even goes on top, goes for the bottom. Seven. That is odd, so it does go to the bottom. Jets, Darrelle Revis. Steelers, Big Ben. DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys. And the Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Alrighty. Go ahead and do Infinity. Good, that's the Infinity one. Drew Brees. Fran Tarkenton for the Vikings. /88. 20/88. Vikings. Do have a dual Jared Goff and Carson Wentz double patch, solid color, double patch there. See who has those, see if we have to random that. 273/288, Carson Wentz and Jared Goff. Let me double check my list, see if we have to random that. We do also have a redemption coming up. Rams is David. David, you got the Eagles too, didn't you? Nope. Okay. Oh, that was in the first one. Alright, so I'm going to have to random that. So, I'll do that at the end. Alrighty. We do have a rookie auto. Artie Burns. I'll have to double check that team. Artie Burns. Rookie autograph. Yeah, I bet. I bet. No, we did sell him. And that Artie Burns is for the Steelers. And we do have an auto for the Rams. Tyler Higbee for the Rams. Number 335/488. For the Rams. Right. Yeah, there you go, David. And finally, our rookie card, A'Shawn Robinson. A'Shawn Robinson. Let's see what we get here. Ryan Urlacher. Jordan Reed. Amari Cooper. Allen Robinson. Blue. 18/49. Blue proof. Yep, Artie Burns, which is Steelers. Sightlines, Odell Beckham Jr. And finally, for the Giants, we do have a cut auto. Very nice, very nice. Sterling Shepard. 141 or 199. Sterling Shepard for the Giants. Nice card there. Nice hit, nice hit. 141 of 199. Sterling Shepard. Okay, let's go ahead. Random. Alright, go ahead and roll. 8. I will roll 8 times. See who gets Jared Goff, Carson Wentz. Good night. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope we see you here Thursday. Rams, Eagles. Let's go ahead and get this randomized 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It does go to the Eagles. Congratulations to the Eagles. I've broken before. I know that feeling. Alright, thank you so much for joining me. I do so much appreciate it. Just as a reminder, we do have their randoms listed on eBay and our website. Thank you to everybody who has already bought their spots. We're going to do that Thursday at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time before our other breaks. Thank you so much for joining and breaking with us tonight. I'll go ahead and get this video uploaded for you, and everybody have a great evening.